Hello students, good morning. Now there is a 7th chapter is going on, weather climate adaptation of the animals to the climate. Now there we have done about there is a different type of the climate and whether there is a difference between weather and climate. What is weather? Weather is a profound effect of our living, that is a effect of our daily life due to the change in the sunset, sunrise, moonrise, moonset, temperature. Along this temperature we can find the condition of the atmosphere, that condition of the atmosphere of a particular day at a place with respect to time, humidity, rainfall, speed, direction of wind, that is weather. Then sun causes the change in the weather. Sun is the main reason to change the weather, that is the rainy season, cloudy season, that is depend upon the condition of the sun. Now next we will read about the element of the weather. What are the element of the weather? There is a different element of the weather include the maximum, minimum temperature, humidity, rain, snow and wind. That is the element of temperature weather. Maximum, minimum temperature, the highest temperature recorded during a day is called maximum temperature and the lowest temperature recorded during the day is called minimum temperature. The maximum, minimum temperature are recorded with help of the special thermometer called the maximum, minimum thermometer. In picture you can see there is a thermometer given and here is a marker that is having values given, that is having filled, this one is filled with the mercury and this flow of the mercury inside this tube, that is tell about the maximum and minimum temperature. Here this one is up to there, that is a maximum range, and here up to this one, this will tell about the minimum range of the temperature. In order to prepare the weather report, and the maximum, minimum temperature reached during the whole day are recorded. The minimum temperature for a particular day is recorded early morning when the surroundings are cooler. As the day advances, it becomes warmer and the direct sun rays heat up the ground and surrounding air to a very extent. The maximum temperature for a particular day is reached sometime in the afternoon. This makes the surroundings very hot, unbearable during summers. For this reason, we feel so merciful in the afternoon during the summers. Humidity. We now know humidity is a measure of the moisture in air. When amount of the water vapors in the air is high, we say that humidity is high. The weather report in newspapers show humidity in percentage. They actually show the relative humidity. Relative humidity is the amount of the water vapor present in air expressed as the percentage of the maximum amount of water vapor it can hold at the temperature. What is humidity? Is the amount of the water vapor present in the air in our atmosphere that can hold at that temperature. Humidity of the 100% at a particular temperature means the air is saturated with water vapors at that temperature. Humidity of the 50% means the air contains half the amount of the water vapors required for saturation at that temperature. The relative humidity of the air doesn't remain constant over the time. It will be changed according to the time. As the temperature is changed, then the humidity also changes. That humidity is the presence of the water vapors in our air. That if there will be sunny, then temperature will be high, temperature will be hot, then humidity will be less in our air. It changes with the temperature and the other condition. Yes, here written also that it will change with the temperature. As temperature will change, then humidity in our atmosphere will change. For this reason, weather reported show two figures: maximum relative humidity, minimum relative humidity. The relative humidity is measured with help of an instrument called hygrometer. Hygrometer, what is hygrometer? That is a device which is measured with help of humidity is measured with help of this instrument. Rain and snow. In the cloud, when the water droplets just together and become heavy, they come down as a rainfall. What is rainfall? Rainfall, that in cloud when the water droplet is so much heavy, present in the our atmosphere then they come down in form of the rainfall. When the temperature is low, then water droplet in a cloud freeze into the crystal of ice and As the temperature is become so much low, the water droplet become freeze in form of ice and fall down as snow. Rainfall is generally measured in the millimeters with help of the instrument called rain gauge. What is the rain gauge? Rain gauge is the instrument which is used to measure in millimeters with help of the rainfall. That is used to measure the rainfall in the millimeters. That is the rain gauge. Rain gauge is measuring cylinder. In picture you can see this picture of the rain gauge is the measuring cylinder with have funnel at the top. At the top having the funnel. This one top and having funnel to collect the rainwater. Then rainwater will fall on this funnel. Then rain gauge measure the rainfall at a place in a unit, that the millimeter. Next is the element of the weather, wind. Moving air is called wind, and during the winter when the winds blow from mountains of a northern India toward the northern plains and the plain becomes very cold. During summers the wind blow from the western India toward central and eastern India and these regions become very hot. Now these are the four element of the weather, that is the maximum, minimum temperature, humidity, rain and snow and the wind. Now next is the MCQ questions is given related to this topic. So read this chapter up to this topic properly and complete this MCQ in your book. If you can't fill, then we will discuss tomorrow. Try to do yourself after reading it. This is your homework. Climate. Next topic is climate. This topic we will do tomorrow. Okay.